Hello everyone, myself Dr. Anupam Singh, MD in Kaya Chikitsa and Professor in Swasthya Department. Working in Shri Ram Ayurvedic Medical College and Hospital Meerut, UP. Today our topic of discuss is Yoga and Health. Yoga and Health. Yoga. How yoga and health related to each other? Yoga word from the ancient Sanskrit language that means union. Yoga uses breathing techniques, exercise, and meditation. It helps to improve health in all aspects physically, mentally, and spiritually. Now, health. According to WHO, total health should include physical, mental, and social well being. So, we can see here yoga and health both are related to each other and both include physical, mental, and social health equally. What is yoga? Introduction. Yoga Chitta Vritti Nirodha. According to Patanjali Yoga Sutra, yoga is controlling the mind, chit, man, from taking various forms, vrittis, thoughts, and modifications. Again, yujate anen iti yoga. According to Patanjali Yoga Sutra, yoga is a process of joining or unite. Why yoga is more important for everyone? Improve flexibility, strength, and posture. Daily yoga practice will help stretch and tone your body muscles. Better all-round fitness, weight loss, increase your energy, reduces stress, breathe better, be happier, and become more mindful. Basic rules for yoga. Yoga should be practiced empty stomach, relaxed for 10 seconds, at least after each yoga exercise. Avoid exercise, intake of tea or coffee when you practicing yoga. Wear comfortable clothes for practicing yoga. First begin with easy poses, thereafter you can advance to the tough ones. Ashtanga Yoga. In Ashtanga Yoga, Yam, Niyam, Asan, Pranayam, Pratyahar, Dharana, Dhyan, Samadhi included. Yam means restraints, Niyam means observances, Asan means body posture, Pranayam means regulation of breath, Pratyahar means abstraction of senses, Dharan means concentration, Dhyan means meditation, and Samadhi means self-realization. Asan. Introduction about Asan. The word Asan is derived from the Sanskrit root as means to sit and asi means to be. Definition of Asan. Sthir Sukham Asanam. Sthir Sukham Asanam, according to Patanjali Yoga Sutra, practicing yoga with strength and a relaxed manner gives rise to harmony with the physical body. Asan. Divisions of asanas. Divisions of asanas on the basis of position of body and on the basis of formation of body looks. On the basis of position of body, standing position, sitting position, supine position and prone position. And on the basis of formation of body looks, cultural asanas, meditative asanas and relaxative asanas. Standing asanas. Standing asanas, firstly we discuss importance of Ardha Chakrasana. Blood supply increases, elasticity of the spine increases, lung capacity increases, relieves back pain, constipation and good for flat foot. Excess food is also reduced by this asana. Padhastasana. Importance of Padhastasana. All pelvic muscles, tendons and ligaments of thigh and legs stretched. Spinal and pelvic nerves toned. Blood circulation to brain increases. Useful in diabetes. Improves liver function. Trikodasana. Importance of Trikodasana. Stimulates and improves the function of blood and kidney. Reduces blood pressure. stress, anxiety, and cures indigestion. Helps to remove fats from the waist and thighs. Tadasana. Tadasana is the basic postures of all standing position asanas. Importance of Tadasana. This helps to develop a perfect posture. It greatly helps in balancing, benefits in overcoming flat foot. Sitting asanas. Firstly, we describe Padmasana. Importance of Padmasana. This is used for meditation, prayer, worship, and pranayama. It relieves stiffness of joints, constipation, and knee pain. Calm and peaceful state of mind it brings. Now, Paschimottanasana. Importance of Paschimottanasana. It stretches all abdominal muscles, slims and trims the body, helps to increase the height, useful in dyspepsia, constipation, sciatica, piles, and diabetes. Now, Vajrasana. Importance of Vajrasana. This is done after meal, improves digestion, giving relaxation, relieving stress, increases blood flow to pelvic area and stomach. Now, Gomukhasana. Importance of Gomukhasana. Excellent for diabetes and removes tiredness, stimulates kidney and gives confidence, relieves neck pain, sciatica, stiffness in the shoulder and the neck. Mandukasana. Importance. Prevent diabetes, improve digestive system, improve heart health and circulation, increases kidney and liver functioning, reduce fat from belly, hips and abdomen. Now we describe supine position asanas. Position asanas. Firstly we describe Setu Bandhasana. Importance of Setu Bandhasana. It relaxes whole body, calms the brain and reduces anxiety, good for pregnant women, improves digestion, cures back pain, and improves blood circulation. Shavasana. Importance of Shavasana. Most relaxative asana can be performed by all, improves blood circulation, helps in controlling blood pressure and heart diseases, reduces mental tension. Halasana. Importance of Halasana. Stretches and stimulates the back muscles, spinal joints, increases blood flow to the neck, positive effects on the thyroid gland, keeps the spine flexible. Now Pawanmuktasana. Importance of Pawanmuktasana. Improves the circulation of blood, stimulates the reproductive organs and massages the pelvic muscles, improves digestion. Now Naukasana or boat pose. Importance of Naukasana. Reduces the belly fat, helps the improve digestion, stimulates liver, pancreas and the stomach, helps maintain sugar levels and good for diabetes. Importance of Sarvangasana. Increases the blood flow, the brain cells and central nervous system, stimulates the thyroid, parathyroid and thymus glands, cures headache and constipation. Now, prone position asanas. In prone position asanas, we discuss here Surya Namaskar. Importance of Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar or sun salutation is a blend of all yoga postures that are linked to rhythm of the breath. Overall, health benefits strengthens heart, lung and hands, promotes weight loss, boosts fitness and flexibility, reduces stress and Surya Namaskar. In Surya Namaskar, 12 steps. We can see here in 12 steps of Surya Namaskar, Ardha Chakrasana, Padhastasana, Bhujangasana and all other postures included in this Surya Namaskar. Now Makarasana. Importance of Makarasana. Relaxes the entire body. Useful for all elements caused by tensions like hypertension and insomnia. Bhujangasana. Importance of Bhujangasana. Keeps the spine elastic and strong. This is good for backaches due to overstrain work, neck pain, cervical spondylitis, bronchitis and asthma. Reduces abdominal fat. Shalbhasana. Importance of Shalbhasana here. Hips, lumbar region, pelvic, abdominal, thighs and kidney and leg muscles toned up. Good for constipation, gastritis and diabetes. Now discuss Dhanurasana. Importance of Dhanurasana. Slims and activates body, toned up muscles, reduces abdominal fat, good for backaches, diabetes, GI problems and improves digestion. Now International Yoga Day. International Yoga Day. The idea of International Yoga Day was first proposed by the current Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi. His speech at the United Nations General Assembly (UNGA) on 27th October 2014. First time this day was celebrated on 21st June 2015. International Yoga Day is celebrated on 21st June every year throughout the world. Theme of Yoga Day. The theme of World Yoga Day 2015, Yoga for Harmony and Peace. The theme of World Yoga Day 2016, Connect the Youth. The theme of World Yoga Day 2017, Yoga for Health. The theme of World Yoga Day 2018, Yoga for Peace. And the theme of World Yoga Day 2019, Yoga for Climate Action. So at the end, I want to give message everyone. We all should do yoga daily, at least 15 minutes, any 5 asanas for good health. Thank you.